Okay, now in this video I am going to talk about the question which is based on height and distance, and the question number 73 of your textbook. In that, figure is already given, and the question you need to read from your textbook, but with the help of figure I will be explaining you. This is a right angle triangle is given over here, and this point name is B, this point name is C, and this point is A, and this distance is given 630 yards, and this we need to calculate over here. And like this is your lake my means here water is there in this area, like here this kind of water is here is okay, here like this, okay, and as like, okay, this portion is filled with the water. Okay, now what I need to calculate, this is the position. Okay, this is the position of the observer. This point, one observer is sitting, one person is sitting and observing the another end point at the lake. Okay, where the base has come, or where the water is touching the the part where the water is not there. It's the end point of the another end, and the another end of this side is this one. Okay, from where the water is just getting ended over here, this is the end point over here. So this limit we need to calculate, this distance we need to calculate, and over here this observer distance from this baseline, so this is going to work out as a base, that is given 630 yards, and angle is given, angle is made by the observer with the another end point with the B, that is given 40 degree. I think it is given, yeah, correct, it's given 40. So this angle is given 40 degree. The angle made with the observer eyes with the another end point, which is, and that is the across the river, that is B point, with that the observer is making 40 degree angle, and this we need to calculate. So if this is a right angle triangle and this angle you are taking, then this angle attached side, this is going to be your adjacent side, correct, and this is going to be your opposite side, and this is going to work out as hypotenuse. After fixing of this, as you fixed up, now what I need to calculate, I need to calculate opposite. What is given? Adjacent is given and the angle is given. Okay, now suppose if you are taking this angle as a theta, then you need to just think for a second, which trigonometric function relate this adjacent and opposite, because adjacent is given, opposite we need to calculate, and angle is also given. So which trigonometric function relate these two, because one side is given and one I need to calculate. And so for that, as you think, now over here this part is going to be theta, so tan theta I am going to apply over here. Why? Because that relate opposite and adjacent. This is the main point. If you are able to recognize this, then you will be able to do the height and distance question, because over here opposite we need to calculate, the adjacent was given and angle was given. Okay, so because here this relate the 3 point, angle and 2 sides. If out of 3, if any 2 are given, the third point which is left, that we can calculate. So angle is given and adjacent and opposite, and out of these two, adjacent is given and opposite we need to calculate. So which trigonometric function relate opposite and adjacent, that is tan theta, because tan theta equals to opposite upon adjacent. Now I am going to plug in the values. Okay, so this is tan, what is theta? Theta is 40 degrees, so I have placed 40 degree theta place. Okay, what is the opposite value that we need to calculate, and that they are representing with letter A, and adjacent is was given 630. Okay, now to calculate this value of 630, I need to remove this 630 from here. So what I am going to do, 1040, and I am going to multiply both sides by 630. So a upon 630 into 630. As you multiply this, 630 is cancel out. So here what is left? A. Now 1040 value. So that you need to calculate with the help of calculator. If you have the calculator, that value is given in degree. So first you need to press 40 and then you need to take 10. So 1040 value is 0.8390. I have calculated. I can't show the calculator because I don't have it right now with me. So this is 8390 and multiplied by 630 equals to A. This is 1040 value is this. I have on my computer that calculator I am using, and I can show you that. Just hold on for a second. I'll show you how it could be. Let me check out it is going to be work out or not, because I'm using my computer that calculator. So if it is visible I can show you. It's not working out well. Okay, now this somewhat it is, you can see. No, it's not working now anyway. So you need to check your on your computer. If it work out, then you need to use it. You need to do, you need to in a start button you need to go, and then in a start button and then all program you can see the calculator, and that calculator you can use it. And first you need to 1030 you need to 1040 value I need to plug in over here. So what I did, I have pressed 40 and then 10. So 1040 value is coming up this, and this 630 will remain as usual equals to A. Now this I need to multiply, so I am going to use again calculator, and 40 10, okay, that value, and multiplied by 630. So when you multiply by 630, that is coming up 528 point, that value is coming up 528.63. I have taken 2 decimal places. So this is the distance, this reverse across from means one side to another side. When you cross the river, this distance is coming up 528 yards. So this way I have calculated the question, and I'll be showing you more questions when the word problems are given. I'll be showing you how you can do the questions. Thank you.